Hi, today we're going to do a workout using the ball, and we're going to use it not only for our lower body, but we're going to use it for a bench for our upper body. So I'm going to start on the wall. We're going to have the ball in the middle of your back, feet out in front of you, and you're going to go ahead and bring it down to 90 degrees. Your knees are over your ankles. Don't let your knees go in front of your toes. Each one of these exercises you will do 12 to 15 times, and you will do 3 sets of everything. I'm going to do back-to-back exercises, so you can do 2 of them together and then repeat it 3 times, or you can go all the way through and repeat the whole workout 3 times. When you're doing this, I want you to hold your core in, your shoulders are back, and there's 10, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and set. Now I want you to turn it around. You're going to be leaning against the ball with your feet behind you. I want your weight over your big toes, and you're going to lift up on your big toe and back down again. Holding your core tight. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember the weights over those big toes. And that's 5, 4, 3, 2, and set. Now you can either do those 2 exercises 3 times, or you can continue on with the rest of the workout and then do the whole workout all the way through 3 times. Pause. Okay, first thing, I want you to check the height of your ball. When you're sitting on your ball, your legs should be at a 90 degree, and that's the right height for you. And we're going to start out by, I forgot my weights. I will get my weights just a moment. Okay, I've got my weights. We're going to start with a pullover. Keep that seat up. Use that ball as your bench. Arms are straight all the way back. Keep that core tight. Let your arms drop over your head till it's comfortable and pull them back up. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and set. Roll it back up into a seated position, and I want you to go ahead and put that weight down. Now remember, you can use anything. For that, you could be using a gallon of water onto the handle. If you've got weights, great. If you don't, the next exercise we're going to do is a chest press. And you can use cans of food, whatever you have around the house that you can use. So roll back down into that tabletop position, 90 degrees, and push it up. 90 degrees and up. Keep that seat up. There's 4, 5, down to 90 and back up. There's 9, 10. Keep that seat up. I have to remind myself too. And 3 more. 3, 2, and sit. Now those 2 exercises, the first was a pullover, and that was for your back. And the second one was the chest press. When you're doing the chest press, as you noticed, I was over my chest. I don't want it over your head, over your chest. You can do those two back to back 3 times or all the way through the workout. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do for our shoulders. We're going to sit up nice and tall on our ball, shoulders back, abs tight. We're going to take these weights 90 degrees and push them up. See how I only come down to about just above my ears and back up again? There's 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and set. So that worked your shoulder joint. And now we're going to work our rotators that are also part of the shoulder. They're the ones that rotate in and out. Sitting up nice and tall. Keeping those shoulders back. 6, 7, 8. The second set you can have right here. 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this exercise, the main thing is to keep the arms against the side and open up. The third set you can have at 45 degrees. So you have 3 different angles that you're hitting the rotator cuff, which is the shoulder joint that moves makes your arm move all the way around. So you want to keep that nice and strong. So when you go to reach for something at an odd angle, you don't do anything to your shoulder. So the shoulder press and the rotator cuffs can be back-to-back exercises, so you can do those. Now we're going to go ahead and work on our front of our arms and the back of our arms. That'll be a front and back exercise. All these exercises are push-pull exercises, front, back, shoulder, joint. So we're going to go to our bicep curls. Front of your arm, just let them hang out. There's 3, 4. Don't quite bring the weight all the way up. 5, 6. We don't want to rest on the bone. 7. Sit nice and tall. 8, 9, 10, and that's 5, 4, 3, 2, and sit. We can also do that same exercise with our weights end to end, only with the ball. You have to get a little wider to go around the ball for that. Or you can also, with a lighter weight, you don't want to use the same weight because your reverse isn't quite as strong. You can bring a reverse. So you could actually do 3 different exercises for your biceps all in this position. Now the opposite exercise for this will be a tricep, which is the back of your arm. So we're going to sit up nice and tall. We're going to take that weight, we're going to take it over our head. We're going to keep those arms as close to your body as you can. So you're using your tricep. And go ahead and bring it back. That's 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and set. So now we've covered all our upper body using the ball as a bench, using our core during that whole thing because we have to have a strong core to sit up tall. So now we're going to go ahead and do an ab and a core exercise, and that will be a complete workout. So each one of those exercises I just did, do each one 12 to 15 times and 3 sets. So for a core exercise with the ball, let's go ahead and do a plank on the ball. So you hold it nice and tight. Seat down. If you have back issues, your seat can come up just a little to take the pressure off your back. And just hold it. And you'll time yourself anywhere from 20 seconds on, or as long as you can. At first, you might only be able to get 10-15 seconds, and just work your way up. After you've done your core exercise, we're going to go ahead and sit on the ball and roll it forward. And we're going to bring it up, left, right, back down again. Up, right, down again. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we got 3 more. 3, 2, and sit. With that exercise, in order to go ahead and get the most out of it, the more you have sticking over the ball and crunching, the more you're using your abs. At first, have more of your back on there, and then that isn't quite as challenging. So as your ability gets better, challenge yourself a little more. So that is all of our workout today. We will go ahead and review everything. So we start with our legs, wall squats, calf raises. 12 to 15, make sure your knees are over your ankles. And then after that, we did a pullover for our backs, a chest press for our chest, a military press for our shoulders, rotator cuffs for our shoulders also, and then we did bicep curls and tricep overheads. And then we went on to core. So I hope you enjoyed this. We'll be bringing you a different exercise workout next week. Enjoy your week, and check out my Facebook page at Deb Haney or go to New You Fitness. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.